Oh, back in business. Back in business. Back in business. We got another drone. That extra battery and controller too. You got the controller and there's a battery in here. I thought I was just going to get the drone itself. I didn't realize I was going to get the whole setup. So, yeah, I got an extra controller, which I don't really need. There's a memory card and battery that I didn't really realize, and a couple of extra blades, and I've got a full set of blades to go with it. But yeah, battery, memory card. We're kind of set, man. We're kind of set. We're set. We're set. Back in business. Back in business. But yeah, that's yeah. We're back in business. We're back in business. Of course, it was I didn't have to pay full price. It was one of the Amazon ones that had the cosmetic damage to the box and all that stuff. But yeah, that's exactly what I needed right there. That is exactly what I needed. That little girl right there will fly. And these things are sturdy, folks that don't realize. The other one that I have, I literally wrecked it into when we were staying in Paducah at the Holiday Inn on the river. Oh, I never had to open it, forget. There, swing those out, swing that out there. Yeah, I'll replace those blades, little scuffed blades, but that's it. That's the little mini 4K drone. Oh yeah, we're set. We're back in business, y'all. We're back in business. I'll probably change out. Those blades aren't bad. I'll probably change out the blades on it. But yeah, clean make sure the screen's good on the camera or clean. But yeah, that's good. Battery and everything. We're good to go, y'all. These things are sturdy too, man.